Hey guys, Cyrus here from Talk Android Phones, and today we are unboxing the Huawei Y9. Now, this is the 2019 version of the Y9, which is supposed to be the Mate 10 Lite's successor. So we have the 64 gigs 4GB version, and the color is midnight black. It also comes in purple and blue as well. As usual, guys, the Huawei phones come with an MNP warranty as well, so make sure if you buy a new device that it is there. Of course, we get a warranty card with it and some paperwork. Okay, so one more seal. Let's open this one. That's done. And then one more seal. Okay, guys, so of course we have the device. I'll put this to the side. Okay, so we got some stickers. Let's see what else we get there. Okay, so we have our SIM ejector tool over here. We are getting some quick startup guides, and okay, so we get a screen protector, you can see over here, and a rubber back cover as well. This is actually good, so that you don't need to go and buy them separately. So okay, so we have the usual cover at the back. Okay, so this is your charging brick. Now this is supposed to be, yeah, it is supposed to be a 5 watt charger, so it should have fast charging. Even though the phone does not have USB type C, it has the old USB 2.0. So this we got here. Anything else? Oh, okay. For a second I thought we didn't get these, but yeah, so you get your standard headphones in it as well. So just putting things on the side. So this is everything you find inside the box. Just now putting to the side and getting onto the device itself. Okay. Okay, wow. So first things first, this feels like a heavy phone. So it feels like it's not a cheap phone. It gives a very premium feel to it. And considering it is not that cheap as well, it is for around 39.99 Pakistani rupees. Just open the back. So here you guys, you can see that it comes with AI cameras. Okay, so the back is quite a shiny finish, and here you can see that, guys, there's a curved back, and you have your mini 2.0 port, 3.5 millimeter jack over here, and of course your speaker grill. Okay, on the front we get a massive 6.5 inches full HD plus display, which is 1820 by 2340. This is the 2018, well, now 2019 also, resolution you find in most phones. The main thing about the camera though is the phone is that it comes with 4 cameras. Like I said, it is after all the Mate 10 Lite successor, so the quad cameras actually make a reappearance, but now they are AI powered. Another cool thing about this phone, which I really like, is this. It comes with a massive 4000 milliamp battery, which hopefully should last you more than a day. And just open this now. Okay, guys, to be very honest, I'm surprised by the build quality of the phone. Yeah, okay, so it will be a fingerprint magnet, but honestly it looks so pretty. They just keep it there for 1 second. It looks so pretty. I don't want to put a back cover on it at all. The finishing is actually pretty good. So of course you have your dual cameras here, and the fingerprint sensor right over here, which is the perfect size. Okay, let's power up the phone. So guys, of course, this is a dual SIM phone, like most Huawei's come. Uh, it houses a separate memory card slot as well, which you can of course add a lot of memory in it. I think it goes to around 400 gigs. Okay, so while it's starting up on the software front, the new Huawei Y9 is running octa-core is running Oreo 8.1 and has EMU 8.2 on it. Just starting it up. Yes, excuse me, guys. I'll skip everything for now. No thanks. No thanks. Finish. Yep. Okay, wow. So, guys, you can see that it is quite an edge to edge display. You do see a bezel over here. So, there's a slight bezel on the boundaries, and it has a very tiny chin over here. I don't know why there's a chin though, but yeah, of course, it's a budget phone after all, so they have to cut corners somewhere, right? uh so yeah, so and the notch of course returns. So everybody and anybody who's reviewing a phone these days are talking about notch city. So yeah, so notches everywhere. uh okay, so starting it up, of course, because it has 4 gigs of RAM, it is quite smooth. And considering how the specs are, how the apps these days require so much memory, I think this is perfect. So just quickly going through the specs, the internals, guys, it rocks a Helicon Kirin 710 processor, 4 gigs RAM, 64 GB storage, user screen resolution is rocking Android 8.1 Oreo and EMU version 8.2. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This was the unboxing video for the Huawei Y9. We shall be doing a full-on review of the device, so make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and if you're not, please hit the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon, please. If so, you get notified as soon as new videos come in. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and if not, it's okay. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.